Yeah, okay, hello. Now I want to continue again to practice speaking and reading in English. And today is day 65. I want to continue, and the topic for today is the feature that nobody use. Good morning, Olivia. Olivia, morning. You seem surprised. I just finished reading the latest product report. Is something wrong? Not exactly. Then what happened? The number surprised me. Which number? Feature usage statistic. Oh, take a look. The chart looks interesting. What do you notice? The employee stats feature is used every day. Correct. The attendance dashboard is also popular. Yes, but gone. This advanced reporting feature. What about it? It has almost no users, exactly. That can be right. Why not? Didn't the team spend almost 2 months building it with it? Then why isn't anyone using it? That's the question we're trying to answer. Maybe people don't know it exists. That's one possibility. Or maybe it's difficult to find. Good thinking. Or yes, maybe users simply don't need it. Exactly. I always thought, what if we build more feature? Yeah, customers will automatically be happier. It's a common assumption, isn't it true? Not always. Can you explain? Imagine buying a television. Okay, it has 100 different settings. Sounds impressive, but you only use 5. That's true. Did the other 95 settings improve your experience? Not really. Exactly. So more feature then always create more value. I never thought about that. Later that afternoon. PM. Thanks for joining everyone. Let's discuss the reporting feature. User interview are finished. What did they say? Most users export data to Excel anyway. Really? Yes. The built-in report are more powerful, but harder to use. Exactly. So users choose the simpler option, even if it had fewer feature. Interesting. So we add more option? I don't think so. Why? Because complexity is already the problem. I agree. So adding more feature could make it worse easily. What should we do instead? Let's simplify it. Remove use feature, possibly. That feel strange. Why we work so hard to build them? That's true. Letting them feels like failure, or maybe maybe it's improvement. Can I ask something, Always? Have you ever removed code you were proud of many times? Wasn't that painful? Of course. Then why do it? Because you sure matter more than my ego. That's a proper answer. Sometimes I get attached to my code. Everyone does, especially after spending days on it. I understand. How do you avoid that? I remind myself of one thing. What's that? Users don't care how difficult the code was to write. They care whether it helps them. Exactly. Here's another number. What is the time user spend completing the reporting task? It decreases after they report to Excel. Right, so they finish faster. Exactly. Even that they left our application, the goal isn't to keep user inside the app. No. Yeah, the goal is to help them finish their work. I think I understand now. Tell me. Success isn't measure the number of feature. Good. It's measured by the value those features provide. Exactly. Can I ask one final question? Of course. If a feature isn't helping users, yeah, slowly improve it, maybe, or remove it, maybe. There it is again. It depends, exactly, on what why users are using it, not just whether they are using it. That's the important question. Today I learned something unexpected. What was it? Writing good code isn't enough. Go on. Building useful software is what really matters. Exactly. One issue at a time. Yeah, one issue at a time. One problem at a time. Of course, one problem at a time. One improvement at a time. Yeah, one improvement at a time. One valuable feature at a time. Absolutely, one valuable feature at a time. And thank you. Okay, maybe my sentence favorites today is you sure don't care how difficult the code was to write, they can whether it helps them. Okay, thank you for watching.